China is the world's largest chicken-producing country. Thanks to the modern technology they have, the Chinese can always be the best in agriculture and animal husbandry. Chickens are fed specially formulated feed. These feeds contain all the nutrients necessary for the healthy growth of chickens and improving meat quality. After the chickens are raised, the next stage is the chicken factory. Chickens are brought to special facilities and the slaughtering process is carried out there. I will tell you about the interesting and meticulous production process in the egg factory. After the collected eggs are brought to the factory, they are sorted and classified with the help of automatic machines. At this stage, the eggs are separated according to their size, quality, and shell strength. After the sorting and classification process, the eggs are washed and disinfected. When the chickens reach the chicken factory, the slaughtering process is carried out meticulously by expert teams. Chickens go through a special preparation process before slaughter. First of all, the hair is removed using hot water bath and mechanical hair removal machines. Expert teams place the chickens in the slaughtering machines and ensure the meat is separated correctly. Chickens are cut into different pieces after passing through the slaughtering machine. Parts such as breast, wings, and legs are separated and processed with special machines. Each piece is prepared in accordance with established standards. The quail egg production process usually begins on private quail farms. These farms are specially designed areas that simulate the natural habitat of quails. Quail eggs are collected from egg bands and undergo first quality control. The collected eggs are passed through special washing and disinfection machines. This step ensures that the eggs are kept in hygienic conditions and provide a safe product to the consumer. The chick production process usually begins in egg farms. Chicks that complete the incubator process are taken to special care units. Here, factors such as temperature, light, humidity, and nutrition are meticulously controlled. After the chicks reach a certain size, they move on to the next stage. At this stage, the chicks are sent to the packaging units, where they are carefully packaged and made ready for distribution. Turkey meat production usually begins on specially designed turkey farms. These farms have large areas and are operated in accordance with hygiene standards. Here, turkeys are fed and raised with special feed. Special feed is used to ensure healthy growth of turkeys and to increase meat quality. When turkeys reach a certain age and weight, they are sent to special facilities for slaughter. Duck meat production usually begins on specially designed farms. When the ducks reach a certain size, the health check and care process begins. Farm workers monitor the general health of the ducks and carry out the necessary health interventions. Ducks that reach a certain size are sent to special facilities for slaughter. After the slaughtering process, carried out by expert teams in accordance with hygiene standards, the ducks are directed to processing facilities.